Alright y'all, I'm back. Here's another style video. This is my new Cherry Deco shirt with Mischief made. I'm very excited. It is to coincide with my book release of Dollface Vintage 2. This is my favorite little pleather skirt and some matching little, I don't know, I kind of feel like these earrings look Art Deco even though they kind of don't, but they still feel right to me. But anyways, I'm very excited about this shirt. If you would like to buy one yourself, I have them in sizes small to 3X. Just send me an email and I can take payment that way. And I put on some little knee socks because it's cold in my house and you need socks when it's cold in your house, especially when you have hardwood floors, let me tell you. And please ignore the fluff on my floor. I haven't swept in a minute. It's been a long time since I made a video. These are cute little Mary Jane shoes from Bettie Page Shoes. Everything I'm wearing will be credited in the description box below, along with my email if you want to buy I was going to say a copy, not a copy, if you would like to buy this shirt. They are very, very soft and they're also very long. So for those of you that have a hard time keeping your belly in your shirt, which I do sometimes, this shirt is the shirt for you. I've tucked it into this skirt, but I guarantee you it is very long. Just check out the very beginning of this video where you could see the full thing. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.